hip twist, chasse in cha-cha-cha. So you're going backward, 2, replace forward, 3, and cha, cha, switch, 1. So how to do it? So going backwards first, 2, replace forward, 3, hip twist, cha with the 90-degree, cha, 1, and a little bit faster, 2, 3, cha, cha, 1, and what points here to remember? So first of all, start one knee bend, one knee straight. As you're going back, 2, make sure you arrive high, and then you're pressing down on count end, which is the most important for you. Everything what happens on count end is actually your dance is. And 3, arrive very high. And here, after the 3 on count and cha, you're gonna press down and hip twist yourself. Cha, and here land on very high bend knee position, very high toe position. Cha, tips, go back, 2, and actions here, 3, and now as you do your action, as you press down, hip twist, cha, now stay where you are, do not move this leg forward, press where you stand, cha, and now press from your left leg now to the side, 1, and. So how to make it look good? First of all, add your body actions there. Squeezing and rotations, that's the key. So before you move, you're going and. Even before you start going back, you're already squeezing. And then going back 2, and 3. And now on and, as you press down, same time, you're going to twist. But you see, it's very grounded twist. It's not just we twisting, also pressing ourselves down to the floor. Cha, cha, and now from here, it's going to be a moment where 2 knees will be bent and 2 heels up. And now squeeze on the free leg, this way, and 1, and. So one more time, hip twist chasse in cha-cha. 2, and 3, and cha, 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 and. For the feet, right leg goes back, 2, left foot pointed. And as you here do your squeezing compression, there is a little bit sense of sliding forward to extend your step, make it a little bit bigger. Cha, now from here, make sure foot is not this way, but turned out. Press, cha, ball of the foot, one leg straight, one leg bent. But here at this moment, your 2 knees become bent, 2 heels up. And now from here, start movement in your body, in your actions here. 1, and once you land it, always land in very high position, then melt into bone, and there. So let's go from the back, reverse angle. So you're going, and 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1, and again, and 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1, and. So when you dance, make sure you're using your back squeezing, using your hip to rotate. So there is always actions happening, not only steps.